In the food culture of New Orleans, they stayed fiercely loyal to all things local. At Breaux Mart, I heard the shelves are stacked with everything Louisiana. Now I'm here to find out, what's up, bro? With hundreds of local products to search out, I need a safari guide. And who better than the man who runs the place, Jason Weischer.
I've been working with Breaux Mart for 10 years now.
10 years?
10 years.
You look like you're 15.
I get that a lot. This is a major local section here. All our local hot sauces that we have.
How many hot sauces in total do you guys have here?
3, 4 dozen at least.
I put that on everything. Am I seeing this right? 89 cents?
89 cents. Very inexpensive. That bottle will last you a long time.
Okay, now I just figured out why it's so popular. The bottle's 89 cents. But I mean, that's kind of like your philosophy here.
Breaux Mart is as local as you could get for a New Orleans grocery store.
So let's go check out some more local stuff. Okay. As local as you can get. That's a good way to describe Breaux Mart's bakery treats. Not to mention the lady who bakes them, Bonnie Bartholomew. I still don't understand the name. Dovage.
Dovash. It's butter vanilla cake.
What is this, just chocolate pudding?
Yes.
So let me guess.
Every layer.
Every layer gets one?
It's butter vanilla cake. It's a 6-layer cake.
Cool. All right, so layer 6.
That's 6, and we need a base ice.
Okay,
traditional chocolate icing.
So this is just traditional cake to New Orleans. If I go to a grandma's house and I'm like, make me a dopage cake, she's like, oh, for sure.
Right.
She knows they get it.
Right.
Don't know what it means, don't know how to spell it, know how to make it. Oh my God, more chocolate?
Yes.
I'm not gonna lie, this step is kind of making me nervous. Man, that is beautiful.
That's it. A dollop of chocolate. And then we're gonna top it off and put that fleur-de-lis on there.
Beautiful.
There you go.
My next question is, can we slice it open?
Of course.
Yes. I want to try it. I mean, I've had every step of the way. Oh, but the satisfaction of getting that slice, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful.
So now it's your turn.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
You are now. Dopage cake right here on Magazine Street. It's fantastic. Bonnie, here's to you. Straight ahead, we meet a guru of gumbo. I nibble on my first rabbit sandwich, bunny schnitzel, and I learned to make candy you can really get hooked on.